Hi everyone. If you're watching this, we've already looked through arrays in our lessons, and what we're going to do is just add a few functions that you may want to use with arrays, and we're going to be using it on the tasks in future lessons. So the first skill that I want to show you is how to add another item to an array. So for example, in this array we have 3 items. If I want to add another item, then what we do is we use the append function. So we say append, so we say first we give the name of the array. So we say array dot append, and let's add, for example, mango, and then let's display again. So we say display fruit, and the word append basically just means add to the end, so it adds it to the end there. So if I do that, that's the first one without it, and now if we display it again after appending mango, then it's added mango to the end. Okay, so that's one. And then the other thing we could do is we could say, let us also let's make a change to one item. So let's say fruit, and let's say item number 1, which is pear, and we're going to reassign it. So we're going to say fruit item 1, instead of it being pear, let it be strawberry. Oops, I can spell strawberry. So now if we run it again, obviously it's going to display that, it's going to add mango, but then it's also going to change pear to strawberry, and that worked as well. Okay, which leaves us with just one last thing we want to show. So let's say fruit, and let's say item number, let's go item number 2, which is banana. How do I do this? I think what I do is I say pop. No, hold on. We say fruit dot pop item 3. Whoops. So sorry, did I say 2 or 3? Let's say 2. So what should happen now is it should remove banana from that, and it's done it. So when we say pop, then pop like append adds to the end, pop removes the item number that I've selected. So if I've said 2, then it removes item number 2, which in this case was banana. So banana's gone from the list. Okay, so in that 2-minute video, we've just gone through some of the list or array functions that you're going to need for the task that we're going to carry out.